Sup guys, so in this video we shall talk about modules in Python. Alright, so firstly, what is a module? Okay, so let us imagine a Python file is there, like some Python, file name .py, a Python file, right? So a Python file is nothing but a collection of Python functions. Isn't that so? Until now, whatever we have written, they are functions, right? So a collection of Python functions are kept in a file, all right, and that file can be actually imported into another program, another Python file, okay, which makes the previous or the existing Python file a module. Alright, so a module is nothing but either a collection of Python functions in a Python file or a collection of Python files. Alright, so a module is nothing but a collection of Python functions or Python files. So now let's take an analogy and look into how to actually interpret it. Alright, so let us assume each Python function as a page in a book, right? So a collection of Python functions or a collection of pages is called a book, right? Which means imagine a page to be a Python function and book to be a module. Alright, now a collection of books is nothing but a library, right? A place where there will be a collection of books is nothing but a library. So a library is nothing but a collection of, in Python, a library is nothing but a collection of Python modules, be them files or folders. Alright, these Python modules are actually divided into three types. Python is a language that has become very popular for one of the reasons being the availability of library functions or modules. Alright, Python has extensive libraries of built-in functions and modules available. Alright, so these modules are divided into three types basing on their you can say origin. Okay, so whenever we are installing Python, we get certain number of modules with the package, okay, and few of those modules are always loaded, okay, when you are invoking your Python interpreter. One such module is called as the built-ins module, like we have seen earlier, dir of this. All functions that are contained in this are part of built-ins module. These functions, these Python functions are part of built-in module. And there is the next one called as the standard library. These include all your OS module, system module, math module, and a lot of them. Alright, which is why Python is also called as a language with batteries included. So these modules you have to directly import them. Import OS, import sys, import math, so on. You can directly import them, you don't have to install them separately. Alright, so how do you know, or how can you know how many or what are the standard library modules available in Python? So for that, let's check. Python standard library. Yes. These are all the Python standard library modules or functions available in Python. It is an extensively large library indeed. Alright, so you have any requirement, you can just check here if there is any built-in module or standard module available, and then you can directly import and use them. Okay, now there comes the third part, and the third part is nothing but the external libraries. These are those libraries that you have to install. Okay, the place where you can find these modules is a website called as pypi.org, wherein py stands for Python and pi stands for package index, Python package index. Got it? So here you can search for any module that you have a requirement of. For example, let me search, I search for newsletter. Something related with news is there is one package available to scrape all the news from the internet. Okay, so like this you can find all those modules. Let us try installing this module. So to install a module in Python, you have to use this command called as pip install the package name. Alright, pip is nothing but Python package installer. So how to install? You cannot be in the Python interpreter when you want to install a module. You have to come out of it. Alright, and then type pip install, what was the package name? News. Alright, and it starts installing. This pip actually comes when you install Python in your computer. If it is a Windows PC, then when you are installing it, it will come. If it is a Unix based system like Linux or Mac OS, then it comes by default. Okay, in the next session, we shall talk about creating our own modules or making use of our own Python files as modules in another file. Alright, thank you.